Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Naeem from the Learning Point. This video is for listening and reading practice. Listen to the story and read with me. And at the end of the video, you will be asked some questions to be answered. Let's begin the story. Once upon a time, there was an ant. The ant was very thirsty. She went to the river bank to quench her thirst. She began to drink water. While drinking water, the ant slipped and fell into the river. She cried out loud for help. A dove was sitting on the branch of a tree nearby. He saw the ant in danger. Soon the dove plucked a leaf and dropped it near the ant. The ant climbed onto it and floated back to the shore safely. The ant looked at the dove thankfully. Days passed. One day, the ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dove. The ant ran to the hunter. She bit the hunter's foot. The hunter turned in pain. He lost his aim. The dove noticed it and flew away quickly. The ant walked away happily as she was able to help the dove in return. This was the story of an ant and a dove. Now you will be asked some questions, and to answer the question, you will have 15 seconds. Let's begin it. Question number 1. Why did the ant go to the river bank in the first place? The answer is the ant went to the river bank to quench her thirst. What happened to the ant while she was drinking water at the river? The answer is the ant slipped and fell into the river. Question number 3. What did the dove do to save ant's life? The answer is the dove plucked a leaf and dropped it near the ant. The ant climbed onto it and floated back to the shore safely. Question number 4. What did the ant see? The answer is the ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dove. Question 5. What did the ant do to save dove from the hunter? The answer is the ant bit the hunter's foot, causing him to turn in pain and lose his aim. It's question number 6. How did the ant feel at the end of the story and why? The answer is the ant walked away happily because she was able to help the dove in return, saving it from the hunter. If you are new at our channel, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you and goodbye.